everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today I just wanted to go over a quick little video of some of my items on my website that I'm going to have for Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, Cyber Monday weekend sales. And I wanted you to see what you get because I don't think pictures do it justice. So if you order this is all the physical products that you order. So if you order the tags, the physical order of the tags, you'll get the tags and you'll get a dashboard, and then you will get 2 pages of the blank tags that you could use for gifts, and they're actually going to be printed on just white sticker paper. So you can cut them out and just cut out the tag and then peel it off and stick it on a present. So you'll get 2 of those, and that's not really in the listing. If you buy one of these, you'll get 2 of the sticker sheets. And that's through ordering through Monday, December 2nd, and that's when that ends, and then it'll go back to being like normal. And then I just wanted to remind you of my 2 bigger bundles that I have. It all starts with $1 with the binding, and everything's laminated, and you have a bunch of pages and games. So this is kind of pricey. So if you wanted to take advantage of the 25% off sale, this would be a great time to do it. And then same with, this is also available in the digital, but I also have it in the same binding, also laminated, which I forgot to do. So these are laminated. This is what it would look like. And it would come on this coil. So you have these 2 options because I know they're a little pricey if you want to take advantage of the sale. And if you spend a certain amount of money, if you spend over $20, you will get this little pack free. It has the colored pencils, a little scratch off tool, a D4 through D20 die, I believe. I'm throwing in an inside-outside die, a D3, the dominoes. So it's a little just kind of accessories pack, and the color of the bag might be different, and the color of the dominoes bag might be different. But if you spend over $20 after the sale price, you'll get this included automatically. And if you spend over $50, you'll get this one, and you'll get a Let's Save That Coin book. And this is the new coil, and that's that. So that's if you spend over 20 and then spend over 50, you'll get both of those. So 2 more things to show you, and then I'm going to wrap it up. If you buy one of my physical items of the dashboards, I know I also have this on a printable, but if you buy the physical dashboard, you'll get the dashboard, and at no extra cost, you'll get these cuties with them. You'll get these little cards, so you can do your own little randomizer amount with. So I think it totals $60. So there's 5 1s, 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 4s, and 5 5s, or 6 5s. I can't remember, but it adds up to $60, and it'll come in this cute little box. So if you order this, you'll get these in a little box. If you order this one, you'll get these in the box. So you won't have to do anything else, but if you place this order, I'll automatically include that. And this goes through the 2nd, and then after that, I'm going to change the listings, and they will automatically come like that, and the price will go up. So that's that. And then last but not least, I have a new Snoop. So here's the Boop the Snoop Volume 1. If you purchase this, or you purchase the new one, Boop the Snoop Volume 2, save $40, you'll get a Merry Christmas Boop the Snoop, as seen by Hey Budgets, because she's the only one who had this. But I thought I'd bring it back for these Thanksgiving through December 2nd. And I thought through Cyber Monday. So if you buy this one, you'll get this for free. If you buy this one, you'll get this for free. So that's it. That's my fun little cyber sale starting probably tonight after my live is when I'll update everything. So basically tomorrow, Thanksgiving through Monday, Cyber Monday, this is what you'll get. You'll have there's a chance I might throw in something else here and there, but for now, I just wanted to make sure you saw these fun little things that you would get for free if you ordered this weekend. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Take care. Happy shopping. Bye.